Please consider becoming a patron of The Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Hi, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And now it's time for an episode of The Chocolate Break.
God.
What? You go first. And what, pray tell, is that?
I have no idea.
Choco.
Choco. It's got a picture of little mochis. Maybe little mochis covered in chocolate.
I don't know. Could be.
I have no idea.
They look like little miracle ears. Yeah, little miracle ear candy.
I don't know
They
what
always
you're
run
talking
commercials for the miracle ears because they're shaped like little ears. Miracle ear, tasty, tasty, painful when they come out your ear. It's the song. You gonna get that channel? Get that channel. Miracle ear. I want a miracle eyeball.
Caramel.
Maybe it's leche. Lechy.
Leche.
Ooh, it's got a pinwheel. Look at that, why don't you? Look at that. Cheers.
Tastes like peanut.
That was very unexpected. Remember, like, if you bit into a slice of pepperoni pizza and started, all of a sudden you realized you were drinking coffee. I mean, that's just like, what does it say on the little sticker?
What little sticker?
On the back, there's always a little sticker. It's a U.S. import requirement.
It says chocolate. Kinako mochi. But that was not chocolate.
I wonder if that was, remember we had something that had some kind of like fermented
If you look at the
soybean.
picture on here,
Are those soybeans?
it looks like mochi balls with like crunched up peanut on top of it or something. And that would make sense as to what it tasted like to me.
Yeah.
So I don't know why it would be called Choco and say right on the package chocolate when it clearly doesn't have any chocolate in it.
Could just be like a translation issue, because I mean it's not hard to take a distributor and run them through the hell of trying to translate things. So. I really don't know what that was. That was very odd, and the oddness of that was beautiful, but unnecessary, Zero.
Yeah, I just didn't like the way it tastes. Zero.
All right.
Next.
Hopefully that's a little more.
At least you know
Reasonable.
that's chocolate for sure.
It's chocolate on the inside, white chocolate on the outside. Is that what
It's
the duo is?
mint and dark, and then chocolate.
What?
Mm-hmm. Chocolate wafer and mint cream and dark chocolate.
What's on the outside? White chocolate?
No.
What? It looks like there's white.
No, it's green.
Oh.
Mint on top, dark chocolate on bottom.
Okay, we can.
Are you gonna be okay?
I don't know, maybe it's the coronavirus. I don't know. I'm trying to. But I do still have my sense of taste.
Are you sure?
Good taste never goes away or dulls. Although, remember when we did our anniversary show, how I couldn't taste anything?
Yeah.
We had all that expensive chocolate, I couldn't taste any of it. God, that sucked.
That still burns me. I think, man, I couldn't taste it. You're about to laugh. Why? That's not very nice. Oh. Are you going to cut the cheese? No. Do you want some? You're not going to do any? Why?
Because I knew you'd ask me like that. Why? Why?
She's making fun of me, folks. Cheers.
Wow. That's freaking disgusting.
I don't know what it is.
It's because the mint tastes like toothpaste.
Yeah. I don't know, though. Kit Kats just never fail to under-impress me. It's like, you want to impress me with a snack that has wafers in it?
Gross.
Hook me up with a Little Debbie Nutty Bar. Those things are violently good. You don't like peanut butter, but those don't really have peanut butter in them either. I don't know what that stuff is. That's like Laugan Ma Spicy Chili Crisp. It's one of those things I simply refer to as love sludge. I don't know what it is, but it's freaking good. This...
You're wrong. I would usually eat like regular Kit Kat. Wouldn't be my first choice of candy to pick, but this is wrong.
You know what makes me think this combination is why when you go down the cereal aisle, there's no mint flavored cereal to get, because you wouldn't want to pour milk on mint cereal. And this is like a milky sweet thing with mint, and that bit of wafer in the middle is like having a chocolate covered mint Cheerio. A zero.
It's just cereal.
I'm surprised. This is not what I expect. I didn't realize that these were mint. Well, could I please do one more for my mother?
One more what?
One more chocolate.
What?
So, I believe I mentioned before that my mother had an accident. She fell and she shattered her femur, and then she ended up getting it fixed. They took her to the shop, some hammer and nails, and nailed her back up. And she's in a, a rehab center now. And on my birthday I was going to go visit her, but that's when they decided to make it so normal people couldn't go in there. And so it's been over a month. And yeah, but she's a big fan of chocolate and the show. So I wanted to get something special just for her. And this is that. This is the Symphony bar. Quite possibly my mother's most favorite thing of all time. It's a symphony of enjoyment for her chewing satisfaction. Have you ever had the Symphony bar? And?
It's been a while.
Yeah. Time to revisit the Symphony bar.
Maybe that's why they only make it in the very large bars.
That's freaking huge, yeah.
Because that's a ridiculously large amount of chocolate.
All right. For my mother.
For your mother.
Cheers. What are your thoughts?
It's very sweet.
It is really sweet. My thing that I noticed is that the almonds and the toffee don't get stuck in your teeth. They're like scientifically sized just to be the just right amount. And there's a right ratio of it. Maybe that's the whole concept of the symphony.
Maybe.
Would you like the rest?
I'm not gonna sit here and eat a whole bar of chocolate.
Why not?
I'll puke.
We'd make a hell of a show.
I don't like puking.
But our audience hasn't seen it. All those people are home right now. Cowering under their Afghan.
All those people, like, people watch this.
Mm-hmm.
Like my mom.
Mm-hmm.
No one else watches it.
Mm-hmm.
You?
They come not for glory, but for chocolate. They watch and they learn. Thousands and thousands of them come to the show every Thursday. When there wasn't an episode last Thursday, 5 of them went crazy and went into the lower decks of their ship. It was a whaling vessel.
You've had too much chocolate.
Oh, no. This is good. My throat is starting to burn, though.
It is Hershey.
Mm-hmm. God, that burn just nags at it. 2.75.
Ooh, 3. Smear it on your upper lip.
No.
On your nose.
You told me to.
Don't. I don't have a poop nose like you. Keep your poop fingers to yourself.
It's not a poop finger. But yeah, they want to see you puke. Come on.
No.
Then you gotta get a poop nose.
No.
Just a little
No.
dot going on in your
Nope.
cheeks.
Nope.
Okay, well,
You're just making it worse.
this has been Han.
This is Kit.
Wishing you enjoyment of your chocolate.
Just
Every
don't
day.
Put it on your nose.
Have a good one.
Bye.